Animals come in all shapes and sizes. Some small animals can be really small. There are some invertebrates that are not even visible to the human eye. Some mites are known to measure only 200 μm, 0.0002 millimeters, in length. A parasitic wasp can be as small as 139 μm, 0.0001 millimeters, long, and there's a tiny beetle which is less than 1 millimeter long. Given the minute size of these animals, who knows what we have yet to discover? Here is a selection of the smallest vertebrate animals on Earth. Some people think the smallest animals are the shortest in height, or length, or the lightest. Whichever way you measure them, these really are some amazing little animals. 1. Cyprus. The Cyprus, is the smallest fish, at only 7.9 millimeters in length. They are also considered the smallest vertebrate. It is found in the peat swamp forests of Indonesia's Sumatra Island and can survive extreme drought due, in part, to their small size, 7.9 millimeters long at maturity. 2. Slender blind snakes. Slender blind snakes or thread snakes Leptotaphopidae are thought to be the world's smallest snakes at about 11 centimeters, 4.3 inches, in length. They are found in North and South America, Africa, and Asia. There are 87 different species of these snakes. They are adapted to burrowing, feeding on ants and termites. Most species suck out the contents of insect bodies and discard the skin. 3. Kitti's hognosed bat. The Kitti's hognosed bat, Gracinecterus thongalongi, or bumblebee bat from Thailand and Burma, is the smallest bat, at 30 to 40 millimeters, 1.1 to 1.6 inches, in length and 1.5 to 2 grams, 0.05 to 0.07 ounces, in weight. It is about the same size as a bumblebee and has a distinctive pig-like snout. It lives in limestone caves along rivers, with an average of 100 individuals living in a single cave. 4. Bee hummingbird. The bee hummingbird, Melissuga heleni, is the smallest bird and the smallest warm-blooded vertebrate. It measures 5.7 centimeters, 2.2 inches, in length and 1.8 grams, 0.06 ounces, in weight. The size of its nest measures 2 centimeters wide and 3 centimeters deep. 5. Speckled paddleper tortoise. The world's smallest turtle is the speckled paddleper tortoise, Homopus signatus, from South Africa. The males measure 6 to 8 centimeters, 2.4 to 3.1 inches, while females measure up to almost 10 centimeters, 4 inches. 6. Etruscan shrew. The Etruscan shrew, Suncus etruscus, also known as the Etruscan pygmy shrew or the white-toothed pygmy shrew, weighs only 1.2 to 2.7 grams, 0.04 to 0.1 ounces, so could be considered the world's smallest mammal, although it is slightly longer than the bumblebee bat at 36 to 53 millimeters, 1.4 inches to 2 inches, from its head to the base of the tail. The Etruscan shrew's brain is the largest in ratio to its body weight of all animals, larger even than that of a human. 7. Taphonomyansys. The smallest frog in the world is the Taphonomyansys. Only discovered in 2009, it does not have a common name yet, so is just known by its scientific name. With an average body size of just 7.7 millimeters, 0.3 inches, it is also the world's smallest known vertebrate. 8. Madame Berthas mouse lemur. The smallest known primate is the Madame Berthas mouse lemur, Microspus berthi, found in Madagascar, with an average body length of 92 millimeters, 3.6 inches, and weight of around 30 grams, 1 ounce. It is found in the Kirindi Maitala National Park in western Madagascar. 9. Pygmy Marmoset. The pygmy marmoset or dwarf monkey, Cebuela pygmea, is the world's smallest monkey. It is native to the rainforest canopies of Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Bolivia. One of the smallest primates and the smallest true monkey, with a body length, not including the tail, ranging from 14 to 16 centimeters, 5.5 inches to 6.3 inches. They weigh only 15 grams, half an ounce, at the time of birth. 10. Pygmy Rabbit. The pygmy rabbit, Brachylagus sidehensis, is the smallest rabbit in the world. It is found in North America. The adult pygmy rabbit weighs about 400 grams, 14 ounces, and has a typical body length of 24 centimeters to 29 centimeters, 9.4 inches to 11.4 inches. Females are slightly larger than males. They generally inhabit areas with deep soil and can burrow into tall, dense sagebrush which they use for cover and for food. Extensive, well-used runways interlace sage thickets and provide travel and escape routes from predators.
Please don't forget. Like. Subscribe. Around World Channel. Thanks and goodbye.